I just watched a video. This lady's paying $7,800 a month in just car payments.
What's the highest car payment you've ever seen?
Holy moly.
How much does it cost to maintain these 3 cars per month in college at 19 years old?
Watch this.
All right, so the black one, I pay $3,100 a month. The gray one, I pay $2,900 a month, so a total of $6,000 for these two. The car that is in Houston with my brother, which is the Cadillac Vistic, which I'll put in here, I pay $1,700 a month.
So the black Cadillac is $3,100 a month. The silver one's $2,900 a month. Her brother's car in Houston, it's $1,700 a month. She also went on to say that she gets her car washed every 2 weeks, which is twice a month, which is $240 a month. All 3 cars, the insurance will cost her $566 a month, with a grand total per month, 3 cars, car washes, insurance, $8,500 a month. $8,500 a month on cars. Let's go one step further. $8,500 times 12, that's 12 months, is $102,000 a year on her cars. I'm a realtor. I look at the comments. I don't know if she owns the house, rents the house. I hope that she owns the house somehow. Some say it might be paid off. No idea. But $102,000 every year on cars. I say this as a realtor. Don't buy the house. Go on vacations. Go travel the world. She's paying to cars that is going to depreciate in value versus a house will appreciate in value over time. I know people love their cars, and I know people are going to say to me or put in comments, it's her money, she can do whatever she wants. And I know that. But at the same time, this type of money right here that she's just paying, this is her retirement. This is the reason why people cannot buy houses. She can buy like 2-3 more houses with this type of money. Get renters in there to rent those houses so she can pay her car payments. That could be happening. I don't know. What do you think? Will you spend $102,000 every year on cars? Let me know in comments below.
What do you drive and what's your monthly payment?
I drive a Hyundai Tucson SEL. I pay $707 a month.
What car do you drive? What's your monthly payment?
Ram 1500, $0. I own it.
What do you drive?
Bronco.
What do you pay?
I can't say that on camera. Too much.
Does it start with a 5?
No.
More.
7.
What car do you drive and what's your monthly payment?
I have an IS350.
Monthly payment? Unknown? Too high or too low?
I think it's too high.
What do you drive and what's your monthly payment?
2025 BMW M2 and I pay $1,500 a month.
Finance. What do you drive and what is your monthly payment?
2011 C6 Corvette Grand Sport paid off, and I have a 2020 Ram 1500, only 3 more payments, and that's paid off.
What do you drive and what's your monthly payment?
2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport, and that is paid off.
What do you drive and what is your monthly payment?
A Lamborghini Urus Performante, and my monthly payment is like $5,200 a month.
This right here is a 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. In this case, the RST stands for recently separated the other day. Let me explain this story. Very, very recently, a lady came in and wanted to see this truck. This exact truck, this is the truck, this truck. She goes, I just got divorced and I'm buying myself a truck. I'll be your salesman. So we went and looked at a white one, and we went and looked at the black one. She loved the black one. She said, listen, I can do a payment no more than about $1,200 to $1,300 a month. I'm like, all right, let's take it for a ride. Let me show you some of the features of this vehicle. It's beautiful. Everybody got to have that roof because you got to see what's going on above your head. Inside, beautiful. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. The damn armrest moves back and forth. The panoramic roof, the second row buckets. This is like really, really nice. Back seat for the kids. If you need it, That's my hand. Comes with 2 keys. You get 2 when you buy it new. And there's us washing it, getting it ready. So now let's go through the story. Again, she said she recently got divorced, so she was looking to treat herself into that. All right. Well, we took it for a ride. She liked it. I went through like 30 minutes of going over this whole vehicle. She goes, it's just so much, not money-wise, but feature-wise. So I tried to show her one that was less. She said, I don't want one. I want that one. I said, what made you want that one? She goes, 'cause it's what my husband drives, my ex-husband. All right, here we go. Same one? He's got the same one. It was my truck, but he got it, so I'm getting one. Good for you. Let's go over the numbers, and I'll tell you where we wound up. Really cool story. By the way, this isn't her credit score, but that right there is her credit. Very good. Let's break down the numbers. The MSRP on this is $84,289, but we're discounting it $4,123, which brings it to $80,166. That's the advertised price. And if you think I'm lying, hold on. I blocked off the VIN and that. There it is, $80,166. Back to what we're doing. Tax, title, license, yada, yada, $87,746. She's putting $5,000 down. That's a whole nother story, which brought it to $82,746. She said she only wanted 60 months, and she got a rate of 5.94. Now, the $5,000 down was very interesting because she called her ex-husband, and he put the money down for her. So they get along, kind of. And he even asked her, what are you buying? She goes, I'm buying what you got. Okay, but they got along good. No joke. I actually talked to the guy. They were really cool. He goes, take care of her, blah, blah, blah. They were married for like ever. They're really good people. They're separated and they're really cool. That's what she said. All right, here we go. Well, that's what he said too. Anyway, she wanted to be at $1,200 a month, but she only wanted 60 months. Get ready. Highest payment of the month so far. $82,746. 60 months at a rate of, get out the way, $594, $1,597. She wasn't buying a warranty. She didn't want Gap. She didn't want nothing. She goes, it's $300 more than I want to spend, almost $400 more than I want to spend, but I'll take it. So there it is. She bought it. Hold on. And she's on her way with a payment of $1,597 a month for 60 months. It's a lot of money. It's a great interest rate. She got what she wanted. She's happy, and that's all that matters. So with good credit, bad credit, no credit whatsoever if you're looking for a vehicle. Maybe the ex wants to put a little money down for you. Reach out to me. I'm more than happy to sell you a vehicle. Buy from Mike. That's a great story. Really nice people. I mean, well, he was on the phone, but nice lady.
I just want to show you guys a real life example of what it looks like to buy a car with bad credit. So just to show you guys, this client in particular bought a Nissan Altima, bought it right under $18,000, paying $670 a month, financing for 72 months at almost a 27% rate, and put $2,500 down out of pocket. This program gives us all the details about someone's car and also where they're at payment-wise. So this person's Nissan Altima has almost 112,000 miles on it. They've made 34 payments so far, and they still have 38 payments remaining. Now remember in the last clip, her payment's $670 a month. You take $670 and times it by these 38 remaining payments, you're at $25,460. Now this is the part that hurts a lot of people. Remember how I said her car has 112,000 miles? Yeah, this is what her car appraises for via Carfax, so yeah. So give or take, she's about $19,000 upside down on her current car loan. Now the real question is, do you think that this Nissan Altima is gonna last up until the car is paid off? I think we all probably know what the answer is there. But nevertheless, because her interest rate is so high, that's why she still has such a high balance on her car. So much of her payments were going straight towards interest and it wasn't really hitting the principal at all. And that's why she still owes $25,000 on this thing.
What is one bad financial decision that you regret making in life?
Oh man, low-key buying a car like young, trying to finance into one, trying to get a little Challenger, that 392.
Yeah.
Man, low-key, that's a bad decision, trying to do young. You got a low income, you got to stay low, keep your head down.
What was that monthly car payment every month?
Man,
800?
Yeah.
That was with or without insurance?
And I was without insurance, low-key. I was running without insurance.
Oh, God, bro.
Let her know what happened. Got a repo, bro. Why you here? Let her know what happened.
You got repo?
Yeah, oh God.
What, you didn't make the payment or something?
Yeah, oh God, I was late. Took my L's on it.
Yeah.
But I'm bouncing back though. I got a truck right now.
Yeah. Did you have like a high interest rate?
Yeah, I did. 18.
Yeah, probably that's why, because you didn't have like a good credit score, so they gave you like a high interest rate.
Yeah,
and
first
stuff
time
like
buyer. But on God though, that's where they get you though.
Yeah.
That addiction, you try to get the hot card. Get the Corolla, bro. Stay down till you come up, bro. On God.
Do you feel like you're gonna get that car again or a different one this time?
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing, nigga, 'cause it's all about belief. Belief in God, bro. You see the tats on God. Now I'm telling you, money working, it come and go.
Yeah.
On God it do.
Okay.
I just watched a video. This lady's paying $7,800 a month in just car payments. She has 3 luxury cars. And they're making $7,800 worth of car payments every month. It got me thinking, how much in car payments do you make? I don't pay anything. My cars are paid off. My girlfriend's car is paid off. My Jeep is paid off. It's quite nice not having a car payment. It really is. But this lady had 3 luxury cars. Just her payments. Now, this is not insurance. This isn't maintenance. This is just her payments. $7,800 a month. Her family is paying $7,800. And they were not rich because the cars were parked in front of the house. They were not. This was no multi-million-dollar house. This is just your average house. And having that kind of car payment. God, how much is your car payments? How much is car payment and on what car? And do you own more than one car? It just flabbergasted. My God, $7,800 a month? Are you kidding me? God, let me know. I'm Big and Cheese. You be blessed.
Guys, check out the monthly payment on this 2026 Porsche Panorama. So you have to put $23,000 down and $4,500 a month for a 30-month lease. That is amazing, but you're going to get an amazing product with this vehicle. This Porsche is in Atlanta at the Porsche dealership on Peachtree Boulevard. And if you're interested in coming to get this, they have it. It's in a beautiful color. This color is officially called Madeira Gold Metallic, and it is beautiful. 670 horsepower. But to drive a big boy car, you gotta pay big boy bills. $4,500 a month. Are you down? Let me know in the comments.
What's the highest car payment you've ever seen?
Holy moly, I've seen some high ones. $1,500.
What's the highest car payment you've ever seen?
It would be $1,795, and it was a younger gentleman on a TRX.
Do you think he has buyer's remorse?
He loved that thing. He is actually looking to buy one of the last generations.
What's the highest car payment you've ever seen?
A little over $2,400 on a BMW.
What's the highest car payment you've ever seen?
$1,800 is on an Escalade V.
What is the highest car payment you've ever seen?
Probably 2020 L5P Duramax.
The highest car payment you've ever seen?
$1,200, brand new Tahoe.
What is the highest car payment you've ever seen?
$1,300 Corvette.
How much does it cost to maintain these 3 cars per month in college at 19 years old? I'm only saying 19 because my insurance is supposed to be high on these vehicles, but they're not. Starting off with my Honda, I already paid off this car. The only thing I have to pay per month is the insurance. State Farm did me really good. I pay $150 per month. Now for my Tesla, I'm still financing this car. I pay $500 per month and an extra $100 for insurance. If you're wondering how I only pay $100 for insurance, it's because there's a Tesla insurance method. If you know, you know. And finally, my BMW M340i. I just started financing this car at $600 per month with an extra $168 in financing. I just double checked it. I meant $165. And we're not done because I still do average 4 parking tickets per month. So we're adding an extra $200. So in total, every month I pay $1,715, which is actually crazy to say out loud because I made less than that like 3 or 4 years ago. And I'm so glad to be in a position like this. It's all thanks to you guys that watch all my videos. So hey, if you like cars, I'm not even a car guy. If you like cars, start making that car content, bruh.
These are real payments on a brand new Ford Explorer. Realistically, right now, if you're putting $0 down on a lease, on a base trim, you're looking at $499 a month. So if you get into a brand new Explorer lease, 36 months, you're getting bumper to bumper coverage. The only thing you're really gonna pay for are oil changes. And with the Ford Pass points, you're basically getting those for free as well. I don't think people understand how easy it is to get into a Ford Explorer right now. And for most people with families, this is the ideal vehicle for their lifestyle. And if you want a different trim, it's gonna be a little bit more money, but we'll figure it out. You tell me what you wanna pay and we'll make it work. But be realistic. unrealistic. So comment down below if you want an Explorer or if you have an Explorer, and follow the local car girly for more Ford Explorer deals like these.
So you make $3,000 a month, you're spending almost half of your income on this car.
I was trying to figure out like the negative equity so I could switch over to a Kia. Just my first time ever getting a car. Interest rate is like bullshit. It was like really expensive and like I didn't even think about it.
How old are you if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 21.
What's your interest rate on the car right now?
25%.
How much are you paying on the car?
18 grand left. It was 15 grand when I first got it. They gave me like a gap. Ended up being 20 grand after.
So you make $3,000 a month. That's the thing. You're spending almost half of your income on this car. Do you pay any rent?
I do.
How much is your rent?
I pay like $630.
See how tight you're playing it with this car? You're paying $1,300 a month for a Camaro that is almost 10 years old and has 25% interest. I'm gonna try to give you as much advice as I can. You're about $12,000 to $13,000 in negative equity. You're not gonna be able to get into a Kia K5 for $2,000 down.
I was going to get like a used one and I was going to try to trade it in.
They're gonna offer you, let's say, $5,000 for your Camaro. You have a difference of $13,000. You're going to try to add as much on that as possible. $35,000, and you have $13,000. The balance is gonna be $48,000. So your payment's gonna be even higher, and then you're gonna set yourself up to be in a bad situation when you sell the Kia. Your credit is not quite there yet to go buy a new car.
Tell us what you drive right now and what the payment is.
I'm in a Tesla Model Y. I think my payment's $450 a month.
What year is the Tesla?
2024. Just got it last year.
Nice whip. Big Tesla fan. Okay, so you got it last year. Was it used or new?
It was new. I leased it.
Oh, it's a lease at $450 a month. So at the end of this lease, what happens?
Probably going to get a new Tesla.
With payments?
Yeah.
What's the lease agreement?
It's 3 years, so 36 months. Afterwards, there's no option to renew the lease. It's just you give the car back and it goes into their fleet.
Okay, have you done the math on this?
I think I did when I first got the car.
I kind of want to, can we do it live? This will be really fun for me. Okay, 450, 36 months. So you're paying $16,000 to basically rent the car from Tesla.
Yeah.
What kind of car do you drive?
A BMW 24.
Okay, you got a payment on it or is it paid for?
Payment.
What's the payment?
$734.
Ooh.
I know.
That's up there. Do you know like the interest rate? How many years?
And the interest rate is like 3.99. Yeah. I've recently thought about selling it.
Oh, really? When'd you get it?
A year ago.
Wow. When did the regrets sit in? We're like, I got to get rid of this thing.
Within a few months. So I'm close to retirement and I'm not ready.
So you're like, okay, I could have used this money to invest and set myself up, but now it's setting me back.
Or pay off debt.
What's the other debt?
Credit card. I owe on my house. Think that's it.
Are you underwater on this car at this point?
Yeah.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a 2025 Ford Expedition.
That sounds expensive.
It is expensive.
You remember the total cost of this car?
$80,000.
Did that feel like a good decision?
It does, because I paid cash for it.
Whoa! Okay.
I paid cash and I
buried the lead. Were they confused at the dealership?
Yes. And he actually was trying to convince me to make payments on it. And he said, that it would be $2,100 a month for a car payment. And I said, who does that? And he goes, my car payment's $2,100. And I looked at my husband and I was like,
You just insulted the sales guy.
Yeah, I did.
And then the finance office is like, you're not going to let her pay cash. She's not leaving here without payment.
They absolutely were mad at
But they don't make money off of cars. They make money off of financing. Gotcha. And your little tricks, car salesman.
The BMW that I have right now, bro, it's a 22 M series.
My APR is pretty high.
What kind of rate you got right now on that one?
They give me a 21.
Well, shoot, definitely we can cut that rate by at least half, I'd say, man. Were you a first-time buyer?
Yeah, but I had a co-signer and I put money down. My credit score is almost at like a 720 or something.
Oh, yeah, dude. The car that you were most interested in was the BMW, right?
Yeah.
How much money down would you be putting down to fight the negative equity?
I don't got no money.
That joint is like, after taxes and everything, you're easily going to be looking at like a $46,000 car.
Yeah, plus the negative equity.
Exactly. I would like to keep you close to what you're paying right now, but truth is that just because of the price of the vehicle, it's going to exceed that a little bit, man. I don't even have to run your credit, man, but basing it off the price, you're going to be looking at over like $850, $900 a month. So I'm not sure if that's something that you were prepared for.
Nah, yeah, that's up there. Nah, I appreciate you for real.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll send you some information, okay?
Yeah, text me all those and I'll call you right back.
Okay, sounds good, brother. Bye.
Hey, Dan, I got a guy who just submitted an app on the lifted Tahoe. He said he put $500 down. Can you take a look at it?
Yeah, let me take a look at his credit. I mean, the credit's not quite there. There's a couple paid autos, which is good, but there was also Chapter 7 bankruptcy. It was discharged, but it is on the file. And we got an overall 593 score. $500 down might be a stretch, but let me submit it. All right, I got it done, but we're going to have to add another zero to the down payment. I need $5,000 to make a deal work.
Okay.
You think you can do that?
I can find out.
You know what? Now that I think about it, came in from TikTok. Let me call him myself. Let me talk to him, pick his brain, see where we're at, and if it's a possibility, and if not, maybe some other cars. He definitely does not want to do $5,000. He said the most he can do is $1,000. So I asked if he's open to other options. He said he's open to anything as long as it's an economical vehicle. First thing that comes to mind, I got a 25 Altima with like 10,000 miles on it.
So he doesn't want an SUV, he wants a sedan?
He said he wants an economical sedan. He doesn't want an SUV. Why he submitted on the Tahoe, I don't know. He said it just really looked cool and it caught his eye, I guess, because it's lifted. But if he can't get that, he just wants an economical sedan. Albert, I stopped asking these kinds of questions a long time ago, man. I just do what I'm told and try to get an approval. All right. I just spoke to him. The Ultima's still too much for him. I'm at a $550 payment on it. The most he can do is said $400. Maybe he could stretch to $450. So I got to look through the inventory and see if there's anything that I can get to that number. You know what I just remembered? We bought a Maxima yesterday. Hasn't been through service yet, but I know kind of where we're going to price it at. Well, let me try to get it done on that Maxima. I'm going to see if that's an option. All right. So with the $1,000 down, we need a unit based on the APR that he's going to get. It's a state max rate, 21%, regardless of what car I put him in. So we need a unit around $15K, which is exactly what I was going to price that Maxima at. $15K for that Maxima, $1,000 down. I can get it done with warranty and gap at $450 a month. So it's right in his wheelhouse. I just got to call him and see if a Maxima is a good option for him. The good thing is I don't have to keep resubmitting him, right? Once I have an approval with the bank, I can just kind of restructure it based on different collateral. So it's one inquiry. Let me call him and see if a Maxima works for him. Good. He's actually really excited about the Maxima. He likes those cars a lot. He's happy with the payment, $450 a month. I told him it hasn't been serviced yet. I'm going to get with the mechanics right now and rush that through service. I don't anticipate anything out of the ordinary, your normal brakes, rotors, stuff like that. He's closed on the numbers. Call him, get insurance, get all the paperwork started. He's ready to sign paperwork tonight as long as we can get this car delivered, within the next couple of days. He's ready to sign everything today.
All right, great.
Cool. Let's get it done.